Ladies, you have to be careful who you give your friend. Can you see that 5 second or 5 minute there? It might nice, isn't me? But it's all fun and game until you end up with one pitney where you have to race by yourself. Cause you breathe for and work this man. Some wanna get tricked by them thing yeah. Cause I know see some man drive some big car, so I wanna say alright. Boy I drive nice car and say you have money. But that don't mean irresponsible. Enough of them boy, the only thing they have in their name of their car. Not even one bed they don't have. So when they breed you, away you and him and the picking you go sleep. You have to make sure say any man who not deal with know about priorities, you see me? But know if you take care of their responsibilities. Regular I see girl I hype up their man on social media, you know. Then couple months later after they get pregnant, I see them on social media I cuss out the same man. But how the man work this and that, like all along you do with the man and you never see the red flag them, you never see sign, you know, observe the type of person where you deal with. Uno deal with man where every guest house know them, every villa know them, every hotel know them, but they never yet go on black factory, never yet go on hardware, never yet go on furniture store, not even bed they don't have. And you tell me so you never yet wonder why boy can't carry on a garden yard. Cause 3, 4, 5 of them are sleep on the same bed. So which part you go sleep? Them boy and have no problem if you sleep on the same old bed where then granny used to sleep on. But they say they can't drive no old car. They rather go road go buy Hennessy for people say they have money. Rather than buy food put in their house. And them same man garden yard got them out of pot, but they don't even know how them people struggle hard to provide the food. Before some of them save a little money where they have and fix up your house so they born and grow in a. They rather take your money go rent big apartment and pay $1 million a year for place so they will never own. Rather than build one room and a bathroom on the yard where they used to live. But my question is, what if no parents did think like Uno, or no grandparents, or no great-grandparents, whosoever did build a yard they want to grow up in? What if them did think like Uno and say, oh, they nah live here so they nah fix up here so? Where you would have grown, where your mother would have grown, where your grandmother would have grown, if the older generation never set the foundation there. So Uno no feel say Uno can set one foundation too. So for Uno look a sister them can come benefit off it, or no brother or any other family member can come benefit off of something what Uno do. And I know just the man them alone may talk cause some Uno girl no better. Cause another man buy hair and nails give Uno and big bag rather than Uno take him money go start one look a business. Uno rather than can go hotel every week more than them buy one bedroom set. Uno rather than a car drive up and down before Uno tell the man them say oh build one little room so Uno can live comfortable. Uno might not see a problem now, you know. But at the same time, when you breed and family start a problem now, and that's everything get friggin', you know. Cause you know, go realize that all of the money you want to frig up and all of the foolishness the money you so do never make no sense cause now you have a pitney and you don't know if you live and you hardly can take care of picking cause boy do even business.